After running an EC2 instance for a while, each disk can eventually fill up with log files, applications, or growing amounts of data. So can you increase the disk size without creating a new EC2 instance and without losing any data? The answer is absolutely yes. Hi everyone, I'm Phương. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the size of an Amazon EBS volume attached to an EC2 instance in just a few minutes without losing any data. I also explain why after rebooting the EC2 instance, the orange system can automatically recognize and use the additional disk space without manually extending the partition or resizing the file system. Let's get started, okay? First, log in to the AWS measurement console and select the EC2 instance whose EBS volume you want to expand. Open the storage tab, then click the volume ID. On the volume page, select the volume, click Access, and then choose Modify Volume. In the Modify Volume window, enter the new size under size gigabyte. Okay, in this example, the EC2 instance is currently using an 8 gigabyte EBS volume. I'll increase it to 10 gigabyte. Besides increasing the size, you can also adjust settings such as IOP and throughput to improve EBS performance if needed. Once the volume has been reset, click Modify. Okay, I'll reboot the EC2 instance. So the operating system can detect the new capacity reboot. Okay, wait a few minutes, then log back into the EC2 instance. Okay, connect, click connect. Okay, after logging in, run the following command. F with option H, enter. Okay, as you can see, the file system has already increased from 8 gigabyte to 10 gigabyte. Okay, even though we haven't run any commands to extend the partition or resize the file system. So what allows Amazon Linux to do this already? Let's check the cloud-init configuration by running grep with option R, grow, part resize fs etc cloud, enter. The output shows that cloud-init is configured to use these two modules to overtly expand the EBS volume during boot. This means that whenever the EC2 instance does cloud-init automatically run growpart to extend the partition, then runs resizefs to expand the file system. This behavior is part of cloud on cloud images, such as Amazon Linux running on AWS EC2. However, if you're working with virtual machines installed the traditional way on VMware, Hyper-V, or Oracle VirtualBox, simply increasing the virtual disk size only expands the virtual disk itself. In those environments, you still need to manually extend the partition and resize the file system using tools such as growpart, resize to ls, or add as growfs. Okay, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more hands-on tutorials on AWS Linux, cloud computing, and DevOps. I'll see you in the next video. Okay?